ones to approve your application. Now that you've finished everything, let's focus on making the web a better place. Go to My Dashboard. Once you're there, you'll see that you've approved. Check out your dashboard. Next, you'll come across some polls that require answers. Hey, how about making some serious cash by sharing your opinions in surveys that are paid through PayPal? Welcome back to my channel, Good Money, making money both online and offline. All you gotta do is take some fast tests and surveys. And the best part, you'll get some cash via PayPal for every task you nail. And there are even some awesome bonuses you can earn on your journey. EnrollApp.com. EnrollApp.com is a nifty website testing platform that hooks you up with companies seeking real feedback on their digital products. All you have to do is take a few quick tests and tell them what you think. In return, you get paid for your valuable time and effort. It's a win-win. What do they test, you ask? Everything and anything, from website navigation to logo design to simple proofreading tasks. These companies want to hear what you have to say. Why humans? Because we're the ones who will be using and buying these products. And that's where you come in. Your feedback could be the key to helping these companies truly succeed in the market. On this website, there are other ways you can make money. What I'm interested in is putting some extra cash in your bank account. That way, you can use it to buy whatever you need. See, not everyone wants to start an online business or deal with online marketing stuff. And that's why I've come up with some side hustle ideas and rounded up some cool websites and apps that let you earn that sweet side money. Not only that, but you'll also receive payment via PayPal for each test to take, which is super convenient. The website and app are ready to use, and you only need to sign up for free at the bottom of the page. Click the Enroll button, register on EnrollApp.com, and you can now start earning money by taking tests. It's that simple. So, go ahead and click away and be sure to pay attention because what comes next is very important. I need you to pay attention because this is super important. Once you get a confirmation email, you got to confirm your account to start using the Enroll app. Just click on the link in the email and you'll be taken to a page where you can type in your email and create a password. And hey, if you're the type of person who always forgets their password, just hit Remember Me so you won't have to keep entering it. Once you hit Sign In, you're good to go. Just make sure to keep an eye on the progress bar at the top so you don't miss anything. But don't worry, I'll be here to help you through the whole process. Before we move forward, let's make sure we're on the same page. Do you want us to send you tests as soon as they become available? If so, always hit yes. By doing this, you'll get the most out of our website. Trust me on this, hitting no won't provide you with the same experience. After you've confirmed that you want to receive the tests, let's move on to filling out some basic information. First, what's your gender? Select male or female. Next, let's move on to your birthday. For example, let's say you were born in August, simply select your birth month, day, and year, and then hit Continue. Hey everyone, would you be able to do me a favor and hit the like button? Your ongoing support helps keep our channel going strong. Alright, let's get back to the video, shall we? So when you're filling out the form, it is important to indicate your highest educational level. If you're still studying in college or have completed high school, just go ahead and specify that. Then, the form will ask you whether you work full-time or part-time. You can select whichever option applies to you. Moving along, you'll be asked to choose your industry, occupation, and professional title. It's also required that you list out your most relevant skills. This might sound tedious, but trust me, it's worthwhile. For instance, if you're into affiliate marketing, you can specify that. So what are your top hobbies? Just fill it up. Additionally, you can mention any other sources of income you have, such as a side gig. Finally, don't forget to disclose your yearly income. But don't worry, that won't be visible to anybody else. You might be wondering why they're asking you all these questions. Well, it's because they want to send you tests that are perfect for you. That means they want to make sure you're answering tests that match up with your skills, background, education, age, and even where you're from. By answering these questions, you'll be better prepared to handle all the tests that come your way. And it means you'll be earning some sweet PayPal cash in no time. After once you approve your application, now that you've finished everything, let's focus on making the web a better place. Go to My Dashboard. Once you're there, you'll see that you've approved. Check out your dashboard. Next, you'll come across some polls that require answers. Don't sweat it. Simply respond accurately and you're good to go. That's the way how much you'll go to earn some money. So here's what you need to do next. Once you've finished this quick questionnaire, submit your answers onto Enroll website. That's where you'll find out how many tests are available for you to take. Once you're all set up, they'll start sending you the tests. One of the best things about Enroll is that it's completely free and available worldwide. You don't need any followers or money to get started. And you don't even have to be on social media or make videos. Just head on over to enrollapp.com and get started. So all you need to do is sign up exactly as we showed you. After that, take these quick tests to earn some extra cash. They're super easy and won't take up too much of your time. Plus, you could make around $2 or $3 per minute if you qualify for the tests. Best of all, it's free to join. This opportunity is available worldwide, so don't miss out. If you're keen to earn a bit of extra spending money or fill up your gas tank, this is the perfect gig for you. Just give it a go. And that's for today's video. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that bell icon for more awesome content. See you at the next one. Bye!